Hi, I'm Keith Lesinski with the Petzl Technical Institute. In this video, we'll cover how to use Petzl's new wire anchor sling, the EN and ANSI certified wire strop. Let's start by talking about construction. The wire strop is made of 6.5mm or about 1/4 inch diameter galvanized steel cable. The cable is housed within a clear polyurethane sheath that facilitates visual inspection. The strop also has a different termination size at each end to allow for various rigging configurations. At one end is a large attachment loop, while at the other end is a plastic sleeve with a small attachment hole that maintains proper carabiner positioning. The wire strop can be used in 3 configurations: end-to-end, a choker hitch, and a basket hitch. Let's take a look at the proper configuration for each of these setups. To demonstrate, we'll be using the example of setting up a single anchor vertical lifeline. To start, for all 3 configurations, we'll install a carabiner into the small attachment hole with the plastic sleeve. For most scenarios, you'll find the strop is easiest to work with if you rotate the carabiner 180 degrees. To use the strop in an end-to-end configuration, simply connect your carabiner to your anchor. Next, connect the vertical lifeline with a separate carabiner to the large attachment loop. To use the strop in a choker hitch, pass the strop over your anchor, then feed the carabiner end of the strop through the large attachment loop. Make sure to equalize the choker hitch on your anchor. Now we'll attach the vertical lifeline to our existing carabiner. Finally, to install the strop in a basket hitch configuration, we'll again pass the strop over our anchor. Then we'll connect the large attachment loop to our existing carabiner. As with the choker hitch, the vertical lifeline will go into our existing carabiner. In the end-to-end and choker hitch configuration, the wire strop has a minimum breaking strength of 23 kilonewtons, or just over 5,000 pounds. In the basket hitch configuration, the wire strop has a minimum breaking strength of 35 kilonewtons, or about 7,800 pounds. All right, let's take a look at a few precautions for use when using the wire strop. With the basket hitch configuration, you must keep the internal angle less than 90 degrees. If you have a large anchor and the internal angle is greater than 90 degrees, you must use a longer anchor strap. As I mentioned with the choker hitch configuration, be sure to center the choke hitch on your anchor. An unequal choker hitch can reduce the strength of the strop. Also with the choker hitch configuration, the minimum allowable anchor diameter is 10 centimeters or about 4 inches. Using too small of an anchor can improperly load the terminations on the strop. Finally, make sure this plug is always present on the plastic sleeve of the large attachment loop. If this plug is missing, there's a possibility of improperly connecting the carabiner to only this plastic sleeve, which has no string. All right, these are just a few tips on using your Petzl wire strop anchor sling. As always, for complete information and additional tips, please visit petzl.com.